Since we're done with the panel, now we're gonna make that part, that dip. Let's just take the entire edge loop, I presume. EX, GY. Now we're gonna SX that and skew it inwards. Let's space them as they pull it up. Now we're gonna keep on extruding it, or we can just yeah, we need to extrude the entire 4 vertices. Now just extrude the single vert and join it. Make face. Cool. Get 2 edge loops down in the center. We need 4 edge loops down in the middle. So we need to pull down all of those 4 edge loops. Just GZ that in a plain manner. Deselect that. GX. Push it on the right side. Back. There we go. So that part is where the carbon is. So that will be a separate object. It won't be linked to this one. So isolate it first. Then we're gonna get the boundaries to make it more sharper. Amazing, amazing. It looks so good. It's looking exactly how it should. Just one last thing. We have to fix the roundness in that corner. That hide those 2 faces. Then just Control R and pinch it. Then Alt H to bring that back. There we go. Clean, super clean, nice.